Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2003 Honda Shadow 750 Spirit. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 14,175 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need DOT compliant license plate bracket and a plate light. It will also need passenger handholds. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, installed the new front tire, and the rear is at 830 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are clear coat cracks on the rear fender. This bike has one key and has been upgraded with rear suspension lowering brackets, an engine guard, headlight visor, chrome radiator trim guard, front turn signals and LED taillight, relocated rear turn signals, and a plate relocation kit. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.